Hi everyone, it's Dr. Renée Moran. I want to talk to you today on some basic skincare tips. So the first one is cleansing your skin. So I know I've talked about it before, but morning and nighttime. So for those of you who, just can't seem to do it and you're doing a makeup wipe, that's all fine. However, that's great to get your makeup off, but you're not cleansing your skin. So in the morning, cleanse your skin. And then in the evening, I recommend a double cleanse. So the first cleanse is going to get rid of all that makeup, debris, oil, everything that you have accumulated throughout the day, your SPF and so forth. The second cleanse is going to really clean the pores, right? So it's going to get down deeper. Now, what are you cleansing your skin with? Are you using your fingertips? That's fine. If you tend to use one of these, washcloth or face cloth, you need to use it and then toss it in the laundry, okay? If you just dangle it over the faucet or whatever, it's going to sit there and accumulate bacteria and germs. So you don't want to just let it sit there all day, dry out, and then use that again. Same for these little guys. So look at, I have a mask on here. So these are going right into the laundry. And then same for your Clarisonic sand brushes, right? So you want to make sure you're cleansing your sponges or your brushes. I used to work in a lab in med school or before med school, and we checked household bacteria. And ever since then, I have microwaved my sponges. Even my, for the kitchen sink, everything, all my sponges go right into the microwave, zap them for like 30 to 60 seconds, and then keep going, because you're just putting all that bacteria back onto your face. It's disgusting. Okay. The second thing is makeup brushes. You want to wash those as well. Same for your pillowcase. So what I tend to do is, it's unrealistic for you to wash your pillowcases probably every day, although now we're doing so much laundry. But if you have multiple pillows, just rotate the pillow that you're using or just throw on a new pillowcase. So there's that, because you are smushing your face every single night, getting all that dirt and everything that accumulates overnight into your skin. So gross, right? Check the expiration dates for your makeup. Same thing. You're putting, if you're using your fingers or your brushes and they're not clean, usually I'd say a good rule of thumb is most makeup expires after 6 months, so toss it. Now it's a great time to go through all of your products, toss what you do not use, toss what you've had there forever, and then, start fresh, get some new makeup. It's Mother's Day, right? And then the other one is don't touch your face. Don't pick at your face, don't touch it. We have so much dirt and debris, especially now. We need to be washing our hands and being mindful of what we're doing to our face. Don't pick anything. If you have a breakout or something, it will go away, I promise you. But leave it for us. We will be doing facials and everything when we can get back into the spa. So please do not touch or pick your face, and anything that you're putting near your face, like your phone, make sure you're washing that down, right? Little alcohol wipe, or you've got that screen protector, it's fine. So just use a little alcohol every day, wash your phone, because you just don't want it touching your face. All right, I hope these skin tips helped you. If you have questions, always just message me. Bye.